Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I got this bronzy summer ready makeup look. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. I'm going to start off with moisturizer. This is the Ole Henriksen Sheer Transformation. I'm just going to dot this all over my skin. Now because I'm filming this video quite late, I skipped the primer, but if you are just starting your day, then this is when you will apply your primer. So I'm just going to rub this all over my face and make sure it's blended. Next, I'll be going in with an oldie but a goodie. It's the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. And I'm just going to dab that all over my face and I'm going to blend it in with a beauty blender. Now I'm going in with the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. This concealer is very pigmented. A little goes a long way, so just be careful when you're applying this concealer. I'm first going in with my fingers to warm up the product, and then I'm going to go in with a beauty blender to blend it all out.
We never say what we think, waiting for the perfect way. Time zone speak, got me on delay, 'cause across a million seas.
Now I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil. I'm gonna carve and shape up my brow. Here I'm using the brush that I used to blend out my concealer to just soften the top part of my brow. Now I'm going in with my favorite. It's the RCMA No Color Powder. I'm going to do some bakage underneath. I'm going in with a pretty generous amount because I will be using shimmers and I want it to catch any fallout, should there be any fallout. Alright, now I'm going in with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I'm using this to deepen my crease and as well as a transition shade. So I'm going back and forth in windshield wiper motions, and I'm also going in circular motions as well, just to make sure it is super blended. Now I'm going in with the Lorac Pro 2 palette. I'll be using the shade Light Brown to again deepen my crease. I am going in with cocoa and applying that to my V. As you can see, I am quite impressed with the pigmentation. So for a hot minute, I will be blending and making sure that there are no harsh lines. 10 years later, I am still blending. Now I'm going in with nectar to further blend the cocoa in. Now going in with the star of the show, I'm going in with Rose. I'll be applying that to my lid. This is very pigmented. It is very buttery. And yeah, I'm just applying that with my finger because it applies better than a brush. Now to curl them lashes. Putting on some mascara. My go-to is the Lash Flash Volume from CoverGirl. It is my absolute favorite. It's the only mascara that I use. Now I am brushing off the bakage. Going in with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. I'm going to use that to warm up my skin. Going to cut my cheeks with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in the shade You know what? I lied, I know the shade. It's the middle one at the bottom. Look at them cheeks though. Using my beauty blender to blend any harsh lines. Going in with the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush. Gonna put that on the apples of my cheeks. Again, beauty blender to blend on any harsh lines. Can you tell this is my favorite? This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Emerald highlighter. It is so blinding, so beautiful. The camera really just doesn't do it justice. I'm gonna highlight the top of my forehead, the tip of my nose, my cupid's bow. More highlighting because why the heck not? Now I'll be going in with the NYX lip liner in Nude. This is one of my favorite formulations of lip liners. Topping that off with MAC's Yeesh. I think I'm butchering it. Topping the lips off with the Maybelline Elixir in Nude Illusion. Gonna squirt some Fix Plus all over my face. Why do I look so scared here? Alrighty, so this completes this Bronzy Summer Ready makeup tutorial. So if you like this video, please give this a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more, please subscribe to my channel. I'll talk to you later. Bye.